Hello learners, this is Grade 5 Home Science Project Guide, making a handkerchief using EVEN-TACKING stitches. Today we are going to learn how to perform task 2 of the Grade 5 school-based assessment projects. In this task, you are going to make a handkerchief using EVEN-TACKING stitches. This activity helps learners develop sewing skills, creativity, and patience and concentration. You will also learn how to use sewing tools safely and correctly. First and foremost, what is EVEN-TACKING stitch? Before we start sewing, we must first understand what an EVEN-TACKING stitch is. EVEN-TACKING stitch is a temporary sewing stitch used to hold pieces of fabric together. It is called even because the stitches on top of the fabric and underneath are equal in size and evenly spaced. These stitches are usually long and easy to remove later if necessary. What are the tools and equipment and materials needed in this project? Before starting the project, learners must identify and collect the correct tools and materials. We need a needle, sewing thread, piece of cotton fabric, scissors, tape measure or a ruler, pins, chalk or pencil, thimble, but this is optional. Each tool has a specific purpose. For example, scissors are used for cutting fabric. Needles and thread are used for stitching. Tape measure helps measure the correct size of the handkerchief. Safety measures during these projects. When working with sewing tools, safety is very important. Learners should observe the following precautions. 1. Handle needles carefully. 2. Keep scissors close to when not in use. 3. Do not play with sharp tools. 4. Work in a clean and well-lit area. And 5. Wash hands before handling the fabric. These safety measures help prevent injuries and keep the work neat and hygienic. Measuring the handkerchief. The handkerchief must measure at least 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Follow these steps. Place the fabric on a flat surface. Use a ruler or tape measure to measure 20 centimeters length and 20 centimeters width. Mark the measurements using chalk or pencil. Carefully cut the fabric using scissors. Measuring carefully ensures the handkerchief is the correct size and shaped and well shaped. Making EVEN-TACKING stitches. Now we begin stitching. Step 1. Thread the needle and tie a knot at the end of the thread. 2. Fold the edge of the fabric slightly to create a neat border. 3. Insert the needle through the fabric. 4. Move the needle in and out of the fabric, creating even stitches. 5. Ensure the stitches are equal in size and evenly spaced. If the stitches are uneven, the handkerchief will not look neat. Therefore, take your time and sew carefully. Finishing the handkerchief. Once you finish stitching around the edges, tie a small knot to secure the thread. 2. Cut off any extra thread using pair of scissors. 3. Smooth the handkerchief and it is ready to be used. Presentation to the class. Learners will display their work and explain the tools they used, the steps they followed, the challenges they faced, and how they felt making the handkerchief. For example, I first measured the fabric to 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Then I threaded the needle and used even tacking stitches around the edges. I enjoyed the activity because I learned how to sew neatly. Learners should observe each other's work and give positive comments, not negative. For example, your stitches are neat, your handkerchief is well measured, you did a good job sewing evenly. This helps learners learn from one another, making a portfolio evidence. After making all that, learners should take photos and the tools and the materials. Photos while stitching, photos of the finished handkerchief, and short video during the process. This will be kept in the project portfolio. How to score high marks. 1. Write clear notes. 2. Present confidently without fear. 3. Use correct tools. 4. Make neat and even stitches. 5. Observe safety. And 6. Keep photos and videos.